If you're really the Randy, you tell me how that horse sounds.
Oh my God, he's a hacker using an Indian slang. Oh my God,
How
hacker,
do you know?
go to the
How do you know?
Just wait. What make the sound of the horse?
manager.
Okay, I'm not
Ma'am,
gonna.
hang
Where
up the
is the
call
bank
right
Okay,
now.
manager, Edith?
I don't know
I
what
will
to
Where is
prove
the
to
do.
you.
bank
I'm the
manager,
real
Edith?
Randy. I will prove to
You
you.
want me to send
Okay?
the cost
Uh,
right now? You want to see what I can do?
well,
They are the
ma'am,
Randy,
Mexican
ma'am.
hackers. Hang up the call right now, okay?
No, 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 ma'am. Ma'am, listen.
Took the money out of
Okay,
the
ma'am.
bank. Withdraw
First
the
thing
money in
first,
cash,
ma'am,
okay?
we need to
help
Withdraw
me
the
establish
money
out.
in
who is
cash.
the real Randy.
Withdraw the
Okay, I
money.
am the real
Talk to the
Randy.
manager.
Well, Randy, those other guys keep calling me again and again, and I'm just so sick of it. I know I have to send them the 13,000, but they keep telling me and calling me and sending me text messages, and
Oh, okay. Now let me tell you one thing what we are going to do. We are going to block all those unwanted and unknown numbers, all right?
thank you. I appreciate that, Randy. Are you
Now,
gonna come over to my place to set this up, or?
yeah, we are going to send someone to your place. Can you tell me how much cash you have right now with you?
I have about 3,000 cash.
And how much totally you have withdrawn? Do you remember that?
The one day I went and got the 19,000, and I still have the 13,000 that I owe those Best Buy people. But I was going to go to the bank to wire transfer that money into their bank account.
Okay, Edith. So I'll just make sure that we refund all the amounts. Along with that, we are going to compensate you some money. All right? Because you
Oh,
have spent
good,
your
good.
precious time with us. All
I
right?
I like money, so now we're talking. Uh, because I've been
Thank you.
doing all the work. I've been sending people
Hi,
gift
yeah, of
cards
course. You have
left
been
and
doing all
right,
the
and
work. And you know, Edith, the total compensation which we are going to provide you is like of $1,000.
well, I would be happier with 2,000, but beggars can't be
Okay, okay,
choosers.
hold on. Let me talk to my manager. Can I put your call on hold for 2 minutes so that I can speak to my manager once?
Absolutely. And while you do that, I'm going to take this other call because my phone is ringing again, and
No, 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 no. Don't take any other call, okay? That's the important part you have to follow. Don't pick up any other phone calls, Edith. All right?
but
Without
you're going to
asking
go
me.
talk to your manager on another call.
So
There's
I
no.
will stay on the line in the phone call. Till now, like whatever we are doing, make sure until I hang up the call, you don't hang up my call and you don't speak to anyone else. All
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Okay, now Edith, listen to me. I just had a word with the manager and he accepted $2,000. Okay? He's like sitting right beside me. I'm talking to him right now. Okay?
Oh,
So
what is
he
this?
has confirmed me that he can pay you $2,000 compensation as you have spent your days and you have invested your time with us. All right?
Okay. Well, I have to
Now,
hang up this call because I owe the Best Buy people 13,000, and that's what I'm trying to do right now is pay them back. And after I do
so
that,
how you are going to pay the Best Buy back? Can you tell me?
but they're sending me their banking details, but I haven't got it yet. I'm just waiting
So, well, like, why they're sending you banking details? Can you tell me?
for the wire transfer. I have to wire transfer the 13,000. That's the best way.
Oh, okay, okay. So, how you're going to make the wire to the Best Buy? Like, you're going down to your bank?
Yes, I'm gonna go to my bank and wire transfer the 13,000 as soon as I can.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Now, hold on. Let me have a word. Don't hang up my call. Let me have a word with the Best Buy, and the Best Buy will provide the account to us, and we are going to send you the account over a secure line, so no hackers can detect the account details, or no hackers could know that what you are doing. All right.
Okay, thank you, Harry.
Okay. Like the Best Buy was saying that as you're going to make the wire transfer, and Best Buy is a business company, so
Oh, yes,
sometimes
yes,
before
they're,
higher amounts, they put some kind of taxes, which is very high, and
you're
you have to
kidding
bear the
me.
taxes because the payer will always have to pay that. So we are looking for any alternative way to return that $13,000 to the Best Buy without paying anything taxes. And from Home Depot, we can do something. That's why I have asked you.
PayPal, is it? You're with PayPal, right?
Right. I'm like, the taking care of the securities of the whole internet and your computer lines as well, right?
And why don't I just use PayPal to send you the money then?
PayPal don't have that much of limit, and it's there are like sending $10,000 or like there is a maximum limit you can send up to like $1,000, right, in
Oh,
PayPal. So once you're ready to go down to the bank, you let me know, right? We're going to do something about the remaining amount, like return that 13,000. All right.
oh, I know. Don't you remember? You're gonna send me the bank details. I'm just waiting, and after I get it, I can go and do the needful after that.
I have got the bank details, but there is a problem. If I give you the bank details and you go there and wire, then there is a tax amount that you have to add from your pocket, which I don't want you to pay.
No, that's
So
bullshit. The bank
there
doesn't
is an
charge tax.
alternative.
The bank does not charge tax. I'll have to pay the
No,
$45
as you are
wire
paying,
transfer fee, and that's it.
that's a wire transfer fee. But if you pay to the Best Buy company, then they will charge you the business tax as you're using a personal account and you're paying a business, right? So listen to me properly. Right now, I have a like fast way which can help, right? You withdraw the money in cash. Can you able to do that? Just tell me. If you can't withdraw 13,000, you do one thing. You withdraw 10,000. Can you do that, Edith?
Okay.
Right. So once you're ready to go down to the bank, let me know. I'm holding the line for you.
Okay, let me go get dressed up. I'll be right back. Okay, Randy, I'm ready to go.
Now, listen to me carefully, okay? Now, let's start the job, right? Let's focus on what we are doing now, okay? The
Good
first
idea.
thing you have to do, yeah, the first thing you have to do, you have to drive the way to your bank's parking lot. Once you park your car, don't come out from the car, just say an hello to me. Then I'll talk to you, all right?
Okay.
You have to go to your bank without taking any details. Just take your driver's license and keep your plastic bank card with you, nothing else, right? And you have to withdraw the money in cash, $10,000 in cash, or 13,000 if you can, if they allows you. All right?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get into my car and everything then. Hold on.
So how much time more is needed for you to reach there? Can you tell me?
Wait a minute. Randy,
Yes.
you were going on and on about the horses yesterday. How did they sound?
You're talking about the horses?
Yes, the horses at your place.
Yes.
Everything okay on the farm?
Edit, I'm like, I told you something else, right? And that we are going to focus on what we are doing right now. And then we can discuss about the rest of the thing later once you're coming back to your house. Once I'll, like, this is a business and this is a recorded line, right? So right now I'm at my work. So when I'll call you
You're
from
like,
my
why are you
personal
acting so
number,
different
then we
today,
can
Randy?
discuss about personal things, right? I hope you understand that.
Randy, what's wrong? Why you're acting weird? But yesterday you were talking a lot of about your horses on your farm, but today you don't want to have a word about that.
I didn't told you that. I told you that the horses are good, and I told you that once you're coming back to your house, then we can like going to talk about that.
Well,
Right now,
how
I'm
did
like doing some work actually. I
well
hope
how
you
did the
understand.
horses sound this morning on the farm?
They are good. They're good. The farm
How
is
did
also good.
But how did they sound? How did the horses sound? If this is really Randy, tell me how the horses sound.
I think, Edith, you are not understanding what I'm trying to tell you right now. Yesterday, I called you from my personal number, right? And once I called you from my personal number, I have, like, discussed about all those things about my
Okay.
personal life.
Well, you call me
But
back on
right
your
now,
personal number so we can talk about this. I got this.
exactly, I can do that. But
Okay.
you got that?
You call me back on your personal number and I'll hung up this call.
But not now. Right now, we are doing something. You're going to your bank, right? Is it a good time to do all those things? Because this is a recorded line from my number. And if I hang up this call, then I will be in trouble, Edith.
You tell me right now, how are the horses sounding today?
So I have some of the, videos of today. Would you like to hear how the horses are sound?
No, use you. How do the horses sound? Use your voice. Do they sound this? Do they sound the same?
Yes. Now, Edith, now we have to focus. I believe you are in the bank's parking lot. Am I right?
Yes, I'm in the parking lot of the bank. Should I
Now
just
listen
go
to
do
me.
the wire transfer to the bank
No
details?
wire, no wire. Listen, you go straight into the bank, withdraw $10,000 in cash, and come out from the bank. If they ask you for what reason you're withdrawing,
Oh,
simply give them any
Randy,
personal reason, okay?
are you calling me back from your personal number right now? I see my phone ringing. Let me
No,
just
no,
pick
I'm
up
not going to
because I
hang up
don't
the
want to.
call. I will stay in the phone call. You keep the phone inside the car, and I'm holding the line for
But
you,
I don't want to
right?
talk
You
on a.
go in the back.
I don't want to talk on a business number. I would rather chat on your personal number.
Some hackers from Mexico, they are hacking your phone lines and listening to the conversation. That's why we have generated a secure line for you, a business secure line where we are speaking, right? So it's really not a good time because the IT team were working on your phone lines to fix it. All right? Are you there?
Yes, I'm just going to pick up your private number because you're calling me on that one too. And
Listen, edit.
okay, I hung up.
Hello?
Hello?
Ma'am, don't
Yeah,
pick
can
up
you hear
phone.
me?
That was not Randy.
No, it was
Can you hear me, Edit?
Ma'am, ma'am, who is this guy?
Randy. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am. Can you hear me?
Hey, who are you?
Randy,
Hello?
Hey, who the hell are you?
who is this?
Ma'am, this is Randy.
Who's
I
this?
don't know the who this. This is Randy. Who are you?
They are the
Ma'am,
Randy.
Mexican
ma'am.
hackers. Hang up the call right now, okay?
No, 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 ma'am. Ma'am, listen. Listen to
Okay.
me. Ma'am,
My
do
my
one thing.
bank.
Hang up the call. Hang up
Oh,
the call,
Ma'am,
okay?
no.
Edit.
Ma'am, listen. This man is a liar.
Edit. Hang
He's
up
not
the call
Randy.
right now. I told you, okay?
Who-
Who you are? You are the Mexican drug dealer, I believe, who is like hacking
Mexican
her
drug
down
dealer.
and taking all of her money, right?
So why does a drug dealer
You're
need to
asking her
call
to buy
someone to
gift
take their
cards.
money?
You're asking her to wire the money. You're asking her to wire the money. You're
I
asking her
have
to
No, I
the.
did not.
buy
I
gift
did not
cards.
ask her to wire the money.
You're Randy
No.
or Randy. What you are? You're Randy.
Oh, how do you know what that is?
What you are? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Do you
Uh,
know what's that?
ma'am,
Randy?
this man speaks some other language. He's a
Who
terrorist.
are you?
Don't listen to this guy.
Oh my
Ma'am, we
God,
are trying
you
to catch terrorists
hang up
like
the
him.
call, Edit. Hang
oh
up the
He's
my
a
call. You
God.
dirty
do one thing.
terrorist.
You take your phone to your
Yes,
bank
ma'am.
right now, Edit.
Ma'am,
Take your
please
phone to
cut the
your
call,
bank and
ma'am.
talk to your
Please.
manager,
This
and he
man
will tell you who I
is
am.
not worth it.
Ask
The
your bank manager. Ask your bank manager who I am, Edit. All right. Go to your bank branch. You're outside the
Ma'am,
bank,
just
right?
cut the
Go
call.
to your bank
Cut the
branch.
call,
All
ma'am.
right, Edit. Edit. Go to your bank.
I'm at my bank.
Don't listen to him. He's
Ma'am,
trying to steal your
ma'am,
money,
before
okay?
you go in the bank, ma'am, just cut the call and talk to me. I
Go
will
to the
call you
bank.
from my
He
other
he will
number,
not let
okay?
you go to the bank. He'll not let you go to the bank
Ma'am,
because
I
it's
will
I
not
call
real,
you
okay?
from my
I just
secure
don't
line,
remember
Your
what I
bank
okay?
is
have to
real. You
do.
you you know your bank more than 10 years,
Ma'am,
okay?
no, no,
So
no, no,
they are
no.
real,
Ma'am,
okay?
don't
Go
listen to
there
him,
and
ma'am.
talk to them.
Do I
You
do the
don't you
wire
don't know Randy
transfer
more
or
than
do
10
I
years,
just
right?
took the money out of the bank is where
No,
I'm confusion.
took the money out of
Okay,
the
ma'am,
bank. Withdraw
first
the
thing
money in
first,
cash,
ma'am,
okay?
we need to
Withdraw
Every
the
establish
money
dollar.
in
who is
cash.
the real Randy.
Withdraw the
Okay, I
money.
am the real
Talk to the
Randy.
manager.
He
Ready?
is
Go to
not,
your
ma'am.
manager right now. Don't waste any more time. Go to the manager right now
Ma'am,
and
don't
give him the
listen to
phone. I'll
this
talk to
man.
the manager. Okay?
Well, who is the
Edit.
Ma'am,
real
Give the
Randy
phone
is
to the
the
manager. I'll
question.
talk to the manager, and the manager knows what he needs to do.
ma'am, it's
Okay?
me. I am the real Randy. Don't listen to him. Why will you listen to
You
someone
are
who's
Randy.
not
You are
Randy?
Randy. Tomorrow, Ma Randy.
Randy?
तुम्हारा माँ रंडी, तुम्हारा बाप रंडी, तुम्हारा
Randy, go,
दादा
go, go,
रंडी.
go. Oh my God, he's a hacker using an Indian slang. Oh my God,
How
hacker.
do you know?
Go to the
How do you know?
manager.
How do you speak Indian if you're not
Okay,
from
so you
India?
know you're a
Ma'am,
hacker, right?
he's
So
from
you know
India.
you're a hacker, right? You're
I
hacking Edit, right? The manager will know the truth, right? The bank manager knows
How about
everything.
you? How
Edit,
about
go
you
to your
hack
bank
these nuts
manager. Go
down
to
your
your
throat?
bank. The bank
Huh?
can save your
How
life.
about that?
Edit,
oh my god. What did you
edit.
just said?
It come to the bank.
Ma'am, he's talking about like choking on nuts and everything. I bet he
Ma'am,
does
go
No.
that a
to
lot,
the bank branch
given that
and
his
talk to
mom's a
the
Randy.
manager. Talk to the manager.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Edit,
no, don't
I
edit,
listen to him.
you can't
edit.
be
Go to the
abusing
manager.
people. That's not right.
Ma'am, see, he's abusing you. See, that should tell you he's not the real Randy, ma'am.
Oh
I'm the
my
real.
God. Go to your bank.
Okay, if
Go to
you're
your
the real
bank,
Randy,
Edit.
what's your last name? What's your last name? Tell me. What's your last name?
I'm not Randy, okay? I'm from the
You are
FBI, okay?
Randy.
Who do
Yes,
you
you
know who
are.
I am? I'm from the FBI.
You're a
You know
fucking
who
Randy
FBI is?
Chod
You want to
Banke
see?
Lorde.
Who are you? You're from
Tera
Best Buy.
baap,
You come to the Best
tera
Buy store.
baap
I'll
bol raha
come
hu
to
bosne ke.
I'll come to and meet you, right? I'll talk to you there, okay?
Shut the hell up, you non-Randy Randy ke
Edit,
bacche.
edit.
Okay, I'm not
Ma'am,
gonna
hang up
Where
the
is the
call
bank
right
okay,
now.
manager, Edit?
I don't know
I
what
will
to
Where
prove
is
do.
the
to
I
bank
you. I'm the
manager,
real
Edit?
Randy. I will prove to
You
you.
want me to take
Okay?
the cost
Uh,
right now? You want to see what I can do?
well,
I'm not
ma'am,
Give
you
the
can't
phone
do
to the bank
nothing, ma'am.
employee right now, okay?
There's nothing you can do.
You have to give the phone to
Shut
the
the
bank
hell up.
manager right now so
Shut
that I
the
can
hell
talk to the
up.
manager, okay? You trust
Shut
the
the hell
physical
up,
person
man.
who is in front of you and to whom you can speak, right?
कुत्ते औकात में रह अपनी समझा
Give the phone to your bank manager right now, Edit,
औकात में
okay?
रह benchut. You benchut. How
oh
about
my
that? I can
god.
say that to your
Oh my
face.
God, Indian slang. Oh my God, Edit. Edit, go to
And
your
he
bank manager right
recognized it,
now.
ma'am. He recognized the slang. What does that tell you?
Go to the bank manager, Edit. What are you
Ma'am, don't
waiting
go to the
for?
bank
You're
manager.
waiting.
This
What
guy's
are
a
you waiting
liar.
for,
Don't
Edit?
listen to
You
him.
don't trust
Hang up
your
the
bank?
call, please.
You don't trust your
Hang up.
bank, Edit? You don't trust your bank?
Why
You don't
Ma'am,
trust your bank, Edit?
the bank
Go to your
manager is
bank manager,
probably
Edit.
in on it too. That's why
Where is your manager?
he's so
Edit.
like
Where is your
needing you to
manager?
go and talk to him.
the bank
Manager,
manager is
where is
in
the
on this
manager? Where is the manager?
Shut the fuck up, man. Man, please stop
Edit.
listening to this guy. He's making me
Edit.
cringe. He's making me
Where is the
cringe,
bank
man.
manager, Edit?
This bastard.
Oh my God. He don't want you to
This
talk to
guy
your
is a dirty
manager.
bastard.
You can pass
He's
this phone
abusing
to your
on his
manager
company
and I can
line.
talk to him,
He's
right?
abusing
I
on
can
his
talk to your
company
bank
line,
manager
man.
and the bank manager will
What will
tell you
his manager
everything.
say?
All right?
What will his manager say when he hears him abusing on the company's recorded line? How about that?
okay.
Man, I don't want to talk to you. Okay? I
Hey,
don't want to talk to him, ma'am. I just want to talk to you. Can we please like have a separate
edit,
call?
edit.
Can you please end this call, ma'am?
I'll
I
end
don't
the
want to
call
talk.
and I'll
I'm
I'll go
done.
ahead and just go wire transfer the money. I'm gonna hung up and I'm gonna go take care of
Ma'am,
this
just hang up. I will call you. Okay? I will
on
call
a
you. Just
different.
hang up the call.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
three,
Edit.
two,
Go to the
call
bank
one.
me back
manager.
Hang up.
on a
Edit. You
non-recorded
want to get
line.
arrested, Edit? You
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to
I
get
will call you
arrested,
from
Edit?
my
You
non-recorded
want to get
line.
arrested,
Okay?
Edit?
From my private number.
I'm hanging up.
Don't worry.
Okay, I hung up on him.
Yes. Are you there?
I have a couple of questions for you, Randy. Is this a recorded line or your personal number?
It's a recorded line.
Okay, I'm gonna hung up and I want you to call me back on your personal number.
No, 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 no. It's not allowed. You're not getting
You
me.
have to talk to me
Okay?
on a private number so I can hear you do the horse sound. Otherwise, I don't
Okay.
trust it.
You want me to use the horse sound?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now listen. What happened? What happened, Edith? Listen to me carefully.
A horse
There is
sound or I'm
something
hanging
wrong.
up.
Okay. Meh.
I
Listen.
thought you couldn't do that on a business line.
No, I just did because you are so curious, right? Now listen. As I've told you, instead of 13,000, as you told, we are giving you 3,000, right? You're keeping that 3,000.
So the
So
horses are
that
still
rest,
sick, I guess. That's how they sounded this morning.
yes, that's right. Now let's begin what we were doing, okay? Let's begin what we were doing, okay? Now,
Okay.
how much cash have you withdrawn?
I got the 13,000 that I owe your company.
Now, out of that 13,000, please keep 3,000 with you. That 3,000 is yours, okay?
Okay.
It's yours. Now, the 10,000 you have to return us back, and I'm going to tell you how.
If you're really the Randy, you tell me how that horse sounds.
The horse sounds as sick.
Make the sound.
Meh.
That's a sheep. That's not a horse.
No, that's the horse, okay? And they are tired, like they are sick today. I told you, okay? You
Okay.
have to simply drive the way to the Home Depot. Can you do that right now?
Yes, but I drive a small little Toyota. I can't load lumber into this kind of car. I'm going to have to pay for somebody to bring it to my place and store it in my garage.
I'm not asking you to buy lumbers. In the Home Depot, you can buy Home Depot gift cards, right?
Oh, for the love of
One
Pete.
card will cost you $2,000. You have to take total 5 cards, each for $2,000. So this is how you spend your $10,000 in the Home Depot. So
Okay.
please
Let's
drive the way to the Home Depot. All right?
okay. Let me just drive over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Let's drive over there. I'm holding the line.
Okay.
So in the Home Depot, you will get Home Depot gift card. You have to take 5 gift card, each of $2,000. All right,
Okay.
and that's it. That's it. You buy the gift cards, take the receipt from them. That's it. All right.
Okay.
Now they may ask you for your driver's license for an extra layer of verification, and they may ask you to fill up a form. That's a normal regulation form, like the way you do wire. The same way you have to fill up the form, and they will give you the cards. Okay.
That other guy wants to help too. I can talk to him or talk to you or the both of you. I can talk to. All I have to do is conference the call. And should I answer his call and see what he's up to?
No, I told you. I mentioned you one thing in the beginning that there are some IT people working in your phone line as the Mexican hackers are trying to hack you, right? So it's the smartest thing to do. Don't answer any phone call. At least for now. Okay?
Just answer the phone call. Hold on.
No, don't answer the phone call. Ignore it. Simply ignore it. Okay? Ignore the phone call for now and focus on
Hello,
driving. You're driving.
Yes, hello. He told me to answer the call.
Hang up the call. Hang up the call.
Yes. What's that?
Hang up the call.
He told me to answer the call. I'm
Hang up
just
the call
doing.
right now. Edit. Edit.
This is Bill Gates, Randy's boss. He keeps. I have to get him the home tape. Hello. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
I will prove to you. Yes, I'm here. The horse
told me
sounds
to
answer the call. Like that.
Hang
That's
up
how
the
my horse
call.
sounds. Okay.
How
That's
did it
the real
sound?
horse sound.
That sound. Hang up
Like
the
that. See?
I heard
And then he
it.
does it. Right? So that's how he does it. So now where did he send you? He sent you to the bank to get the money?
No, I'm at the Home Depot now. I'm at the Home Depot parking lot.
Now,
Hang up the call right now.
why does Best Buy
Hang up the
need
call
you
right
to
now.
go to Home
Hang up the
Depot?
call. Hang up the call.
Oh, he's here?
Hello?
Ma'am, hang
Hang
up
up
on
the
him.
call now. Just hang
See,
up
I
the call,
just proved to
and
you.
we're going to
I'm
get it back
the
in the
real
line.
Randy Wilson.
Buy Home Depot gift cards. Buy the Home Depot gift cards and hang up the
Ma'am,
call right
don't
now.
buy
Edit.
anything.
Switch
Do
off your
not
phone
buy
right now,
anything.
Edit. Switch off your
Ma'am,
phone.
I'm telling you.
Switch off your phone,
Hey,
Edit.
stop scamming
Switch
this
off
old
your
lady,
phone,
okay, you
Edit.
bastard. Stop
Switch off your
abusing
phone.
this old lady. You're taking her life savings from her. Don't you feel shame?
No,
Don't you
I
have
did
any
the
shame? Didn't
mistake.
your mother
Switch off
teach
your
you
phone, Edit.
manners?
I did the mistake and I entered in the wrong amount.
Ma'am, don't listen to him. Ma'am, I proved to you. How many times I have to prove to you I'm the real Randy?
You don't talk to them. You don't talk to them, madam. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
I'm confused. Is this
Madam,
Randy?
do
Hang up
ma'am,
that
do
call.
two things, okay? Do two things. Number one, hang up on this bastard's face. He's using you. And number two, I need you to go back to your bank, okay?
You don't talk to them,
Yeah.
madam. You don't talk to them.
Number one, ma'am, please, just do these two things. Do these two things. Just hang up on this bastard's face. And number two, please go back to your bank. I need you to go. Don't
Ma'am,
go
you
to Home
don't talk to them, madam. They are the scammers, alright? You don't need to talk to them, okay?
Okay, I'm hanging up the call.
Miss Edith, can you hear me?
Ma'am, please, yes.
Miss Edith, you
Please.
don't talk to them. You don't talk to them. Hello?
Ma'am, hang up, please, ma'am. On his face, not my face.
Hang up on your face?
Hang up on his
Yes,
face,
just hang
not
up the
my
phone.
face.
I hung up on the other guy.
Now listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Now, you're
Now,
not going
Nancy.
to pick up any more phone calls.
Just wait a
Otherwise,
minute.
lots of trouble will happen.
Wait a
Alright,
minute.
Edith?
Just wait. What? Make the sound of the horse. Okay, this is the real Randy. I can tell now.
Yeah. Now, listen to me, Edith. You have to maintain one thing. Don't pick up any other phone call. And keep the phone on inside the car. Okay? And go to the Home Depot gift card store. You have to buy 5 gift cards, each for $2,000. It's a simple thing you have to do right now,
Hello?
Edith. You have to
Hello,
go into
ma'am?
that store.
Oh, I
Hello,
can
ma'am.
hear you.
Are you
Yes. Why are you calling me so again and again? I'm at the
Ma'am, this is
lumberyard and I have
Randy,
to go in.
Ma'am, please,
that?
ma'am. I'm begging you, ma'am. Please, please, ma'am. Just listen to me. Just
What,
please, ma'am. You
What's
hung
wrong,
up on the
Randy?
wrong guy. You hung up on the wrong man.
Randy, how does the horse sound?
See, ma'am, he's copying me, ma'am. He's copying me.
He's on the phone. Because
Ma'am, please, ma'am, you hang up on me by accident. You have to hang up on him.
but
You
he
need to.
needs, he wants me to
Ma'am.
buy gift cards. I don't know if I want to.
Ma'am, who the hell is he? He's
I
a
have to
fake
buy.
guy. He's not real, man. He's a fake man.
Should I just hung up on him? I don't hear him anymore.
Yes, I will call you from my personal number. Remember, you saved that number.
Okay.
Okay.
I
I
got
will
it.
tell you. I will tell you a password. After that, you.
I hung up on him 'cause
Yes, can you hear me now?
okay, that other guy called me back, and he's calling again and again, but I'm just driving to the bank like we discussed, and I have the banking details, so I'm just going to drive and take care of the needful, and then after I wire transfer that
Actually,
money,
you know,
I can,
that account we cannot use, okay?
you just sent it to me today.
Well,
Of course I can use it.
We
I
have a
haven't even
different
tried
plan.
yet.
We have a different. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. You have to go to the Home Depot.
Make the horse sound.
Nah,
Okay, you're the right guy, I guess.
I
Now,
told
what
you.
were you,
I told you.
What were you bitching and moaning about?
I'm telling you that you come out of the Home Depot accessory store. Please, please. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah. Once you come here, you talk to me. You're in the Home Depot right now, right? In
no,
the
I'm
accessory
driving back to
store.
the bank, like we talked about.
No, you don't have. No, you don't have to go to the bank. You have got the cash with you, right? So you don't
You
have to
told
go
me
to
not
the
to use
bank.
my mind, and that's what I'm not doing. I'm not using my mind, I'm just doing what I'm told. If you send me the
So
bank details,
that's why I'm telling you. You go to the Home Depot, right?
okay, and so you really have a horse farm and everything?
That's right, Edith.
Okay, and what's your...
Just now you heard the horse sound. Let me make the horse sound for you. Meh. Right?
That sounds like a sheep. That doesn't sound like a
No.
horse.
Meh. That's not sheep. You heard that
That's
lots of
sheep.
times,
Let
right?
me hear a... Okay, make a sheep sound.
Meh. You heard that, right?
Yes, but that sounded like something else. I don't even know what that sounded like.
Oh my God, ma'am! Please don't give me any stress, right? Apart from the Home Depot, do you have any CVS pharmacy or any Target nearby you?
Oh, yes. Yes, we have the CVS store and the Target store. They're right next to each other, I believe.
Okay, so which one is the closest one? Tell me.
Literally,
Are you
they're right next to each other. They share the same parking lot. Which one is
Okay,
closer?
so
I would have to say
Target
the Target store. I'm closest to the Target store,
Yeah.
but it's the same parking
So
lot.
now listen. Don't do anything from your side. Just listen to me. Keep all the money with you. Only take $2,000 with you, right? Go to the Target store and tell them that I want 5 gift cards each for $350. They will give you 5 gift cards of $350. You pay them that $2,000 and come out. That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Okay?
That's easy enough.
Yeah.
That's better than this Home Depot. It should take me
Yeah.
about 10, 15 minutes to arrive at the Target store. Just hold tight. I'm going to start driving right now.
Kitboga?
Hello?
Kitboga?
What's that?
You know Kitboga? You heard about this name?
What? No, I never heard of that. Is that a store nearby the
Okay.
Target?
तेरे माँ का भूल.
What's
You know,
that?
I fuck your mother, kid buka. तेरा माँ का भूल. समझा नहीं कौन तेरा बाप बोल रहा है रॉबिन हुड. Because तेरा माँ का भूल. I got you माँ का भूल.
Hello?
Hello? Is this one card? Hello?
I can hang up.
I'm spelling it out again. BRUAU